NordLooker vs Proton Drive 2025. Which secure cloud storage is best? NordLooker and Proton Drive are two top secure cloud storage solutions in 2025, but which one should you choose? NordLooker focuses on zero-knowledge encryption, meaning only you can access your files. Most people get this wrong. They think cloud storage is automatically private, but NordLooker encrypts files locally before uploading. You won't believe what happens next. It also integrates with cloud services like Google Drive and Dropbox, giving you the convenience of traditional storage with full encryption. Proton Drive also emphasizes privacy and end-to-end encryption. It's part of the Proton ecosystem, which includes email and bin services. Unlike NordLooker, Proton Drive offers a more seamless experience across devices and secure sharing features with expiration controls. Pricing and usability differ. NordLooker offers free storage, with basic features and paid plans for larger storage, while Proton Drive focuses on subscription plans that include ecosystem benefits. Both provide strong encryption, but Proton Drive's interface is simpler for everyday users. So, which is best? For users who want integration with existing cloud services and strong encryption, NordLooker excels. For those who want an all-in-one secure ecosystem with easy sharing, Proton Drive is smarter. The surprising truth is that both platforms provide strong security, but the best choice depends on whether you prioritize integration, ecosystem features, or simple encrypted storage.